Welcome back, my friends. It's your boy HA and we're back with another video today, and as you can guess by the title and the thumbnail, it is new car day. And when I say it is new car day, it ain't just any new car. This is a serious whip that I've got on my hands. You know, it's taken about 3 to 4 days of sorting out to get to this point. There's been so many people involved in the build up to this, and I can't thank you all enough. It's been a dream of mine to own one of these for a very long time, and look, this little 2-month journey we've had on YouTube has come to this point, and we're all here together to witness history in the making with this new car. But before I reveal that, my Instagram is nearly at 10K and my YouTube is nearly at 20K. Let's get over the line after this video. Obviously I've got the yard tour coming out after this, maybe another video this weekend. I'm not promising anything. As I said, big giveaway at 50K and a big giveaway at 100K. So the quicker we get there, the quicker I can treat you guys to some goodies. I'm launching the HA Club soon. It will be not a members only club yet, but it will eventually have members only perks where I'll give you guys some free stuff and some free information and some free gifts, etc. But cut the boring stuff. What you've came here to see is the grand reveal. I'm gonna give you 2 clues. It's a European car. And what other clue could I give? And it's got 4 wheels. This is serious. So, I need to stop saying serious. This is fire, absolute fire. I'm in the scrapyard at the minute as well. It's very quiet. As you can see, I've got the mic set up going now, so this is a serious channel. Why am I saying it again? This is Daniel at Ashford's fault. He keeps getting me to say the word serious. All I can picture him is going, serious, serious. That's all I can picture in my head. Yeah, enough of it. Enough of it. Let's get the car on the channel, guys. Welcome her to the channel. Yeah! It's the Citroen Xara Desire 1.6 Picasso HDI with the steel wheels. We don't get no alloys around here. We get the steel wheels. A big shout out to Dan Williams 420 on Instagram. He messaged me after I put that story up the other day, and he basically said, I've got a Picasso, you can have it for cheap, and it'll be perfect for the channel. So big thanks to Dan, guys, for issuing out this naughty looking Picasso for us to do some crazy stuff to. This series is going to run a little bit different to any series I've done before. I'm going to let you guys decide what I do to that, whether that be wrapping it, changing the wheels, putting body kits on it, straight piping it, putting a spoiler on it. The possibilities are endless, and it's going to be down to you guys. And I'm going to do one mod from YouTube, then I'm going to do top comment on TikTok, then I'm going to do top comment on my Instagram. So you've got to be following me on every social media platform in order to take part in this series. And at the end of it, I'm going to be giving the car away to one of you guys to keep. So this is going to be a very exciting journey, and you don't want to miss a second of it. Because when I say we ain't messing about, I bloody mean it. So I'll roll some shots now of the beautiful car. You can get a nice look at her from yourself. The McLaren or the Picasso? It's a tough one, but I think if I'm talking, I need to pick the wife up, I need to pick the kids up from school, I need to take the dog to the vets. Look, enough about horsepower, enough about V10, V12, V8s. You don't need that. You need a 1.6 HDI, a French car, because the French are known for their amazing their amazing engineering. So let's give a big thanks to the French for this. My first modification that I want to make to this car, well, it's not my first, but it's a big one. What I plan to do is change the doors, because obviously, you know, they're just generic doors at the moment. They open like that, nothing special. But how about if we turn this Citroen Picasso into a Tesla and the doors went like this? I'm not sure how we're going to do it, because I'm going to have to reinforce these doors, obviously, because the aluminium around the top is very weak. So I'm going to have to reinforce them, fit hinges up here. I'm going to have to fit brackets down here, but it is doable. I've got a great team of mechanics around me, and obviously using my own vast knowledge that I've gained over the last 3 weeks, over the last 6 years, I think we can come up with something pretty special. So this is a shout out for somebody out there. If you've got any body kits or anything that will fit on this Citroen Picasso and you want to donate it to me, or you want to sell it to me for a cheap price, hit me up. Hit me up on my channel's Instagram, hit me up on email because it's in my bio on Insta, and just let me know because I'm looking for air ride kits, wheels, exhausts, even a body kit, because there's a red one online which I'll put a picture on the screen now which looks insane. The doors go up, it's got a mad kit on it, and I want to do it to that. I really want to do it to it. So if you've got anything, just let me know and we can work with it. But yeah, this is what I'm going to say. Hit the comment section now and tell me what mod you want to see first. The most liked comment gets to pick the next mod. So the possibilities are endless and it's down to you. So let's go and have a look at the car and I'll give you my top 5 features about this Citroen Picasso. Let's go. So my first favourite thing about this car are the soft closing doors. They don't make much sound when you shut them at all. They're really good. See, soft closing, that's number 1. Number 2, you know it's lockdown in the UK at the minute and you haven't really got any restaurants to take the missus out. So this Citroen Picasso isn't just a car, it converts into a mobile restaurant. Dinner for 2, I think so, on the table. Number 3, I know the French take pride in their designs. They've actually put this lovely pattern that goes all the way across the car. So it starts there as part of the car and ends in a nice mouldy little, what more can you ask out your seats? Hell, that's hard. Number 4, and this might just be the best one. This car comes already installed with over 10 air fresheners, one being a retro ice cream called a Twister. What more can you ask out of a car? A car that doesn't just drive amazing, but it also smells amazing too. Things like that really get me going in the mornings. And number 4, jumping with me, is probably my favourite one. The built-in infotainment system is upgraded to a Sony Bluetooth aux lead. So when you're driving and you want to get the tunes going, what more can you ask? You've got aux, Bluetooth, boys in the back, lads in the front, lads, beers on the table. It's a mobile nightclub. So that is 5 things I really like about the car. But number 6, if you just come and stand from the back, the overall sex appeal that this car has is insane. The attention this gets from the girls when you're driving down the road is honestly second to none. When they see that drive by and they hear the sound of the naturally aspirated V10 engine, it really gets them going. So that is my little review of the Citroen Picasso. It's looking pretty naughty now. You think it looks good now, wait until after the mods start happening, it's gonna get even better. On my story right now, I've actually put a poll out. I'm also letting you guys take the reins again. How good am I? You can pick the next rebuild for the channel. This isn't a rebuild, this is a modification series, so it's a bit different. So the options are a C63S, all black, category N, or an S63 2016 coupe, so it's a naughty looking car. That is a Cat S. So the S63 will be a bigger rebuild project than the C63, but each will be as interesting as the other. C63s are always good. They go down well on YouTube. Everybody loves to see them. When they drive past you, it's one of them ones, like you give it one of them, don't you? With the S63, a little bit rarer, don't really see them as much, a bit more understated, but when they drive past you, you know it's game time. So let me know what you think. I'm veering towards the C63S. The poll on my Instagram has gone about 60-40 towards the C63, but it's also relevant to price and relevant to how much it makes, because obviously I don't want to spend too much on a car if it's not worth it. So we shall see. But they go up on the 3rd and the 4th of March, which is next week. So I should have some good news for you guys next week, as the R8 is sold. She has gone. But I'll do a more detailed video on that later in the weekend. If you're interested to see how much it made, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, because that video will be coming very soon. So that wraps up today's quick little video on the Citroen Picasso. As I said in my last, if you haven't watched it, I got detained by the police twice, not just once, twice. And I ragged the McLaren around London. Go and check that out now. I put a little thing in the corner. I don't know what corner it's gonna be, probably that one. But as I say, this series is gonna be completely dictated by you. So if you've got a great idea you wanna see on this car, hit the comments, comment it, and get your mates to like it, get your mates to subscribe, get them up, get the views up, because we can get some seriously crazy mods. And I'm not just talking exhausts and stuff, I'm talking body kits, engine modifications, proper rude boy stuff. And I've always wanted to do it to a Citroen Picasso. And I bet you've never seen it done to a Citroen Picasso before. But anyway, that wraps up today's video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. As I say, we're trying to get to 10K on Instagram, and we're trying to get to 20K on YouTube very, very soon, because the growth only means one thing: better cars and more videos on the channel. So go and do that, guys. And until next time, I'm Henry Arnold, and see me in the scrapyard this weekend. Peace out.